Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be looking at the top 5 scan tools for Porsche vehicles in 2022, 2023 and beyond. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. Guys, please make sure you use those links because there are fakes, there are clones of these tools on the market and they can damage your vehicle. So you want to make sure you stay away from the fakes and clones which are on the likes of Amazon and eBay. Make sure you use the genuine and official links to get the genuine and official products in the description below this video. So at the end of this video, you'll have a better idea about which of these tools is going to be best for your specific needs and your specific circumstance according to what your budget is as well. And also at the end of the video, I'll personally tell you which of these tools I would personally choose if it was my vehicle and my budget that I was looking to buy one of these tools with. So we're going to start with the cheapest at this end and work our way through to the most expensive at this end. And this is the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 tool. This tool, although it is the cheapest, it does have quite a nice level of functionality and a nice level of system coverage. So this will allow you to diagnose all of the main systems like airbags, engines, ABS, PSM, transmission, including the Tiptronic and PDK, and whatever other systems are installed into your vehicle. So things like power steering, potentially air suspension if you've got it, central locking, HVAC systems, and a few more as well. There's probably a lot more that I haven't mentioned, but whatever systems are installed to the vehicle, it will allow you to diagnose and reset those systems and fault codes. This tool will also allow you to reset the service now message that you get on screen. So if your vehicle is due a service and you maybe want to do the service yourself and get rid of the warning message, the service message, then you can use this tool to reset that. You get free lifetime updates with this tool. What you do is to power these tools on, you simply, apart from that one, you simply insert a cable which is in the box at the top of the tool, and then the other end of the cable goes into the vehicle. So it's very easy to set up, and that's how the tools get their power, from the vehicle battery. Okay, so that's the 1.0. Then we move on to the POR version 2.0 tool. This tool is a bit more expensive. It does everything that this tool does, but this has additional capabilities and additional functions. So what I would say about the additional functions, I'll get to those in a moment, is that it does really depend on your specific vehicle. So if you wanted to make sure, or if you wanted to double check that a specific function on this tool would work on your vehicle, then I'll put an email in the description below this video. Use that email address, find out, send your vehicle details, tell them what your vehicle is, what function you want to carry out, and they'll tell you whether this is going to be suitable or not. But those additional functions, the things that it covers over and above this tool, are DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, and brake bleeding, ABS brake bleeding. Like I say though, not all vehicles, so double check. And again, this tool will give you free lifetime updates. So then we move on to the iCarsoft POR version 3.0. This is built on a new platform. This has more capability than these two tools. It covers everything that these two tools do, but this has additional functionality. So you're paying more for it, but you get more for it. So additionally, it'll do actuation tests, it'll do suspension calibration, transmission adaption, air conditioning reset, engine adaption, and a few other adaptions as well. Again though, please email your vehicle details to the email below if you want to make sure a specific function or a specific adaption or reset or calibration is going to be suitable for your specific vehicle. So that's the 3.0 tool. That's, like I say, it's built on a new platform, and this is a new tool and it's selling really well. Yeah, so that's those 3 tools here. First of all though, they only cover Porsche vehicles. And that's where the CR Pro kit differs. This is the next tool. Again, it's more expensive, but this covers, functionality-wise, it covers the same functionality and the same things that the version 2.0 does. Okay, but the difference with this is that obviously it covers more manufacturers. So let's say you may have a Porsche, but you may also have a BMW, an Audi, a Seat, a Skoda, a Ford, a Nissan, I don't know, a Suzuki or a Toyota or whatever. Wherever it is in the world, this tool will work. So you get a lot of manufacturer coverage, you get the same functionality out of the tool as the version 2.0 tool. Okay, This has been a good seller for many years now, and it will continue to be. It's a great tool. It offers such a good value for money tool for the functionality and the system and the manufacturer coverage you get for the money you pay. You can tell it's been a really good seller. Now, briefly going back to the version 3.0, if, say for example, you like the features of the version 3.0 and you're thinking, well, I like the functionality of that tool, but I've got more than a Porsche. Well, that's where the CR Max comes into play. So the CR Max has the same functionality as the version 3.0. The difference with the CR Max is that it covers a wide range of manufacturers. So again, it covers all manufacturers from all regions, not just Porsche. And this is a bit different because it's a tablet-based kit, so you can be diagnosing through the day, you can be playing games on it and surfing the internet at night time. I can't stress how good this tool is. If you're an enthusiast with just a few cars, or you're a small garage or a workshop, and you want the absolute best tool you can for the best value and the best amount of money, then this is definitely the tool to go for. It's expensive than all of these tools, sure, but it's not bank breaking at all. As an example, this is the CR Max. There is a rival tool which has the same functionality. It's called the Autel MK808 kit. That other tool, the Autel tool, costs £150 more, and you have to pay £130 per year for the updates. Well, this tool here is £150 less, and the updates for this tool and all of these tools are free for life. So you'll never have to pay anything else over and above what you pay for the tool. And that's the beauty of the iCarSoft range. They do offer free updates, and they're constantly updating the databases with new vehicles as and when they come out. It just takes them a little bit of time to develop the software. They can add it to the tool, and you can download it via the internet for free. Great tools. But if it was my personal money spending on my personal Porsche, which tool would I go for? Well, it's hard to say because my circumstances are going to be different to yours. But let's say, for example, you just needed, you're maybe selling the car, or you just wanted to reset an airbag light, reset a check engine light, and then you never wanted to use another diagnostic tool again. Well, you don't need to look any further than the POR version 1.0. Or indeed, you just want to do a quick service reset. Then this is absolutely fine for your needs. If you're really enthusiastic about your car, if you really want to maintain your car and you want to sort of always make sure it's in good health, and you want the best tool that you can get for Porsche, just Porsche cars, then this is the tool to go for, the version 3.0. As I say, it's newish to the market, it's a new platform, and it's a fantastic tool. It really is. Well, let's say, for example, on the other side of the scale, you wanted the best tool that you can get for all of your vehicles. Maybe you've got a fleet of vehicles, or you've got your wife's or your kids or your friends' vehicles that you want to look after their cars as well. Then the CR Max is definitely the one to go for. Or indeed, if you've got a fleet, company cars, or you've got a workshop, a garage, this tool will see you well with those circumstances. But it all depends on your specific circumstances, your specific budget, and what you're looking to get out of a tool as well. But as I say, I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. Please remember to use those links because they are genuine products on those links. I 100% guarantee that. I can't guarantee the Amazon and the eBay listings for those particular tools. So use the links in the description, and you'll get the genuine product. I hope this video has helped you guys. I hope it's giving you some information on these tools and hopefully which tool that you're going to go ahead and buy for your Porsche. You can't go wrong with any of them. They're really good. Recommend them all. And that's about it. I hope it's been useful for you, and thanks for watching.